Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Poco F3. Okay, for that we will need the settings for, so just scroll down here. Then you will have here the symbol for the settings, tap it. And now we will need the first point here about phone, tap it. And here we will need the MIUI version number. And you have to tap that MIUI version number now for 7 times. And then you are a developer for the phone. Okay, then you go back one step here so that you are back in the general settings. And now just scroll down here to the point additional settings. This one here. Okay, and now we will have here the developer options. Okay, now you can do the stuff you wanted to do, maybe to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging, and so on and so on. And if you're finished with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable them here at this area. So just tap here, that's gray again. And if you go back now one step, you still see them at the settings maybe. Get additional settings, you still see them. But if you go outside and inside again, they are disappeared. But you can have them always back by just tapping 7 times on the MIUI version number, as we have seen here at the beginning of the video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumb up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.